Fail.
Watch. Stand right there and watch. Today, I got you, okay? Here, turn around. I got you.
Yeah, you see the table.
Get your stuff together. Cause he daddy. Hello, audience. No. Come on, you just did it. Alright, I got you. Go. No. Okay, I got you. Go get him. Get him.
Again.
Wait, she'll do it again.
Does she even know she has it?
I don't know. I think she thinks I'm still holding on to her.
Until she realizes.
Come on.